What a beautiful sunny day! The dump truck and the shark car are happily driving on the road.
Dump truck.
Okay.
They see each other and start racing, trying to see who is faster. Hey!
Don't do that.
Ah!
Oh my God!
Hey! They are racing so fast that they ignore traffic lights.
Hey! Come here.
Suddenly, the dump truck's cargo falls all over the road, blocking traffic completely.
It's a disappear.
Then it meets a tractor waiting at a red light. The dump truck tries to turn quickly, but crashes into a streetlight.
Oh my God!
The tractor sees the accident and quickly goes to check.
Uh-oh!
Help me! Okay.
It finds the road blocked and immediately calls the construction rescue team. Hey!
Help me! Let's go.
The construction team arrives quickly.
Crane truck.
It's my time.
The crane lifts the damaged dump truck onto a trailer and sends it to the repair shop.
I got it.
The excavator replaces the broken streetlight.
Okay. Let's go. It's so nice. Come here. Come here.
The tractor helps direct traffic and works with the excavator to move the fallen cargo aside.
Look at this. I got it. It's a disappear. Wow, it's a nice slide.
Soon the road is clear again.
Let's go. Okay.
Now it's time to repair the dump truck.
It's my
First, remove the
time.
broken lights.
Good job. Nice. What is this?
Then fix the dented bumper.
Hey! Wow, it's a nice slide.
Install new
Good
headlights.
job.
Replace the old tires with new ones.
Okay. Very nice. It's amazing. Come here. Look at this. Okay. It's a disappear. Amazing. Okay.
The dump truck becomes brand new again.
Okay. Look at this.
It loads its cargo again.
Very nice.
Hey! The tractor seriously reminds the dump truck and the shark car, do not race or play on the road. It is very dangerous. The two cars understand their mistake.
It's so nice.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye, see you next time.